Hi, this is an unexpected gunroom video. Dragged the old Walther PPQ M2 out. I was going to do a video with it. I've not used it for a couple of years. It's got the problem quite a lot of these suffer from. The actual belt has snapped inside the magazine. This is one of the early type belts, the black ones. The white ones were a later one. It's supposed to be a lot stronger. Not a lot of money, I think about £15–16. Apparently quite simple to change. I've never actually done one yet. I've never had one fail. But they use this similar type of belt magazine, a lot of different CO2 pistols. The early ones seem to be made of a black material that sort of went weak after a while. The late ones are a white material that seem a lot more durable. Looks like it's just two little screws there. A bit should lift off, which exposes the belt. I admit I didn't actually look at it, I just ordered a new belt hoping that was what it is, and it looks like it's broken there. Yep. Hopefully the new one is the right one. Looks like it is handed as well. That goes downwards. This is an eBay special. Supposed to be a genuine part. Looks okay. It's made of a more rigid material than that. I'll put a little bit of silicone in there just to help it. Use silicone. No, I'll use a little bit of ballisto actually. Probably a little bit better. Never seen any oil since I've had it. That goes that way around. Hook into there, okay. Obviously it's a brand new belt, so it's a bit stiff compared with one that came out. That fits on there. That slides up there. Should slide over the top of that, which it does. Seems to rotate nice and freely. I'll just get the screws out of there. A tiny bit of that on the back of that as well. It just drops back on there nicely. And screw in there. Just do that loosely for the moment. Get the other screw in there. Get that up. Now knit this one. The old broken belt in there. Seems okay. Let's see what it does in the gun. Seems pretty good. Yeah, to load these, just push that down. Push a couple of pellets in at a time and rotate round. I think the next video we'll give this a shot because I've not shot it for a long time. Just wipe off the excess oil. Yep, successful quick little repair. That belt, which has done quite a few thousand rounds, will be consigned to the bin. Thanks for watching.